Get ready to witness the raw power of forestry machines in action. From massive harvesters to precision chainsaws, we're showcasing the incredible tools that help shape our world. It's all about efficiency and sustainable practices. Check out this bad boy, the Stihl MS500i. It's the world's first chainsaw with electronic fuel injection, which means more power and less fuel consumption. Pretty cool, huh? This 5.0 kilowatt machine can handle anything you throw at it. Just imagine taking down a massive cedar with this thing. It's a piece of cake. We all crave control, don't we? The Vermeer HG6800TX gives you exactly that. With 950 horsepower at your command, you'll feel the surge of power as you conquer any grinding challenge. But it's the smart grind system that truly sets this machine apart. It's like having a partner who anticipates your every need, optimizing performance and efficiency for a truly satisfying experience. I love this. It's so cool how they took a simple idea and made it work so well. This woodcutter is super efficient, and it just goes to show what you can do with a little creativity. Awesome job. You guys want to see a stump grinder throwdown? We're pitting the Redroo SHP 400 against the Ricecorp Stump Humper, the top dogs in the Aussie and Kiwi arborist scene. Let's see which one comes out on top. If I needed to take down a tree, I definitely wouldn't hire this guy. And this guy either.
Oh my goodness. Look out, look out, look out, look out! Is everybody?
The LKT81. Turbo is a proven workhorse in the forestry industry. Its robust design and adaptable features make it a reliable choice for a variety of logging operations. From its powerful engine to its maneuverability in challenging terrain, this skidder consistently delivers exceptional performance. The Hayes truck has established itself as the dominant force on the West Coast. Factors contributing to its success include not only its superior power, but also its overall design and robust construction. Now this is a machine I can get behind. The Senebogen 830E. Built to last, easy to fix, and with the power to handle anything. Diesel or electric, both are solid choices. But that electric? Now that's something special. Quiet, clean, and efficient. This is the kind of machine you can rely on for years to come. This ash tree taught Grandpa another lesson.
Yep.
Wow, check out this amazing scene. The partnership between humans and animals at work always brings a sense of harmony. Nice horses, super trained, and the guy really uses his head. You don't see that very often. This is the Morbark 30 RXL chipper vester, and let me tell you, it's a beast. With an 83-inch chipper disc and hydraulics powerful enough to crush a car, it delivers unparalleled strength. But don't worry, it's surprisingly easy to operate. This machine is built for power and efficiency, perfect for anyone who needs fast results. Just watch it in action, and you won't be disappointed. Well. Looks like we've got ourselves a situation here. That lumber truck is in a real pickle. Let's see how our buddy on the excavator is going to get him out of this mess. This guy leveled the ground when he finished the job. What a responsible person, I like that. Well, these are clumsy men who survive by luck. I know what you're thinking. How did they do that? It's like they have a sixth sense for how that truck is going to react. That's the kind of connection you only get with years of practice. It's almost like they're communicating with the truck. Check out this awesome video of a Cat 259D with an FAE 150 head clearing a whole acre of land. It's super satisfying to watch all that brush disappear. You can really see how powerful this machine is, and the operator knows exactly what they're doing. This is how the pros get it done. Who knows, maybe it'll inspire you to tackle your own overgrown backyard. What's up, grinders? Ever wrestled with a stubborn stump? AP Rentals hooked us up with this Burrito stump grinder, and we're about to put it to the test. Let's get this party started.
Stuck.
Oh, snap! This dude is in deep trouble. Will he make it out? Don't go anywhere, the drama's just getting started.
Hey! Trailer!
Technology is created to assist humans, and the Equus 175 has performed that task with excellence. Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire. Every single log is like a world of its own. And every time you cut, it's a total gamble. You gotta have respect for the wood, for the power inside it, and never, ever get complacent. Because when those logs start rolling, they don't give a damn who you are or how long you've been doing this. That's the barber chair, and it's every lumberjack's biggest fear. Talk about a close shave.
Saw's all right.
The Cat 527 skidder? A legend. This machine's built like a tank. Tracked grapple, tough as nails construction, it'll go anywhere. Sure, newer skidders might be faster, but in those gnarly mountain logging sites or swampy bottoms, the 527's still king. That 3,304 engine's got the grunt to pull through anything. Plus, operators love them. Comfortable and reliable, even after decades of hard work. Frankly, the Savannah Model 1720's performance blew me away. I've seen a lot of land clearing equipment, but this machine redefines efficiency. 20 to 40 acres daily with minimal manpower? That's unheard of. Watch the video, and you'll understand why I'm so impressed. Chopping down a tree isn't easy, whether you're a professional or a novice.
Oh no!
Wow! Check out the Moorbark 640 debarker. This beast can handle any wood you throw at it. Hardwood, softwood, you name it. Perfect for sawmills and pulp mills, the 640 is built to last with heavy-duty steel conveyors and a smart hydraulic system that reduces downtime. Boost your productivity and say goodbye to maintenance headaches with the Moorbark 640. The best thing is that the driver very well knew how to deal with these type of mud. He was sure that he would cross by applying force gradually. That wheel looks like it's living on a prayer. Glad this guy could alert them before it totally went. Ever watch someone work and just think, man, I wish I could do that? That's this guy with a chainsaw. He's got such skill. Makes it look easy, you know? I've seen a lot of crazy things, but this is up there. If this isn't some clever editing, that truck driver had one wild ride. Looking for a wood chipper that can handle the big jobs? Look no further than the Moorbark 2230. This powerful and versatile machine boasts a 415 horsepower engine, a 6-knife drum, and a spacious infeed. With its wireless remote and advanced hydraulics, the 2230 makes quick work of even the toughest projects. Whoa, shaky ground and a windy day. That's a recipe for disaster. Dodged a bullet there, huh? Witness masterful precision in action with this ZIL 131 driver. Steep inclines. Check. Treacherous dirt roads? Absolutely. Heavy loads? You bet. The result? Effortless control and a flawless performance. Truly impressive. Check out this beast. The Carlton 7015 TRX stump grinder chews through stumps like they're nothing. It's got tracks so it won't tear up your yard, and you can even control it remotely. The tracks adjust too, so it can squeeze into tight spots. With a massive 32-inch cutting wheel, this thing can handle stumps up to 25 inches deep. No job is too tough for the 7015 TRX. Cutting down a tree? That's no walk in the park. You gotta be real careful with that serious business. This Gearmore/Seppi mulcher is insane. It shreds through trees like a hot knife through butter. I'm blown away by how fast it clears land and creates nutrient-rich mulch. This thing is a game changer. The Ozon Savage is a robust, versatile machine designed for both forest and factory settings. With a 7,500 kilogram weight and 17 kilowatt power output, it efficiently processes logs from 200 to 550 millimeters in diameter, achieving an impressive 15 cubic meters per hour throughput. Its dual power capability, accommodating both electric and tractor operation, ensures adaptability to various environments. Tree falls the wrong way, huh? Not great? Not great at all. The FAEUML/SSL150VT is a forestry mulcher that offers exceptional value and performance for those in the market for a skid steer attachment. Priced competitively between $34,900 and $36,900, it boasts a 110 cubic centimeter variable displacement motor and a high-flow hydraulic system that ensures optimal power and efficiency. With an impressive 63-inch cutting width and 8-inch cutting depth, this machine is ideal for heavy-duty land clearing and forestry applications. Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire. It's incredible and a bit scary to see how they fight these fires. Dangerous work, but it's the only way to stop a wildfire in its tracks sometimes. And that concludes our exciting journey with Forestry Tech. We hope that through our shared insights, your passion for forestry has been ignited and somewhat fulfilled. See you in the next videos.
ये हमारे सऊदीया से आए हुए भाई अरबी बोल रहे हैं। तो बोल तो सही अरबी यार, मैं तेरी वीडियो बना रही हूँ। अच्छा तो गाइस अब खाना खाना खा के हम वापस जा रहे हैं। ये देख सकते हैं आप, ये सारा खाली हो गया है और तकरीबन 11 बज गए हैं, ठीक है। और नहीं अब बोलिए, आप बोल क्या बोल रहे?
नहीं भाई मैं कुछ नहीं बोल रहा। इसकी लड़ाई बड़ी होती थी मेरे घर बैठ के।
हाँ जुबैर दी ते हसीब दी आहो।
शुरू हो जाते थे।
अब कहाँ जाने करा करूँ एंड करा फिर मैं ब्लॉग इतने
जे बैठना तो मेरे घर आयो।
और नहीं यार 11 बज गए साले।
चाय पीनी चाहिए।
नहीं नहीं चाय क्यों पीनी पड़ी। अच्छा तो गाइस खाना शाना खा लिया हमने, ठीक है। और ये है वैसे भाई, इनको आप आखिरी बार ये गेंद देख लें। और ये हमारे शेख साहब हैं, इनको तो आप जानते ही हैं सारे, ठीक है। तो हाँ जी नहीं नहीं बिल्कुल नहीं, क्या जानते उस्ताद। चलो पुलिस वाले जा रहे हैं, पुलिस वाले।